So you're on a family road trip in your Nissan and windows down, your kids are complaining about the music, it sucks, you're not playing the right music, and you're also complaining about the music quality, right? What if I told you that there was an easy plug and play solution that we offer, and I'll show you guys how to install it. Stay tuned. Alrighty, after getting in the vehicle, make sure you sit on the passenger side. It's a whole lot easier to work from the passenger side. But first things first, we're gonna remove this big old dashboard piece here. Easiest way to do that, just grab your hands and you can kind of pull on the passenger side vent here and just pull it straight towards you, like so. And just work your way all along towards the center console. Okay. And on the bottom here as well. Perfect. And be very careful when you remove this, like so, because these clips right here are pretty strong and can scratch up your interior. All right, next piece, we're gonna remove this little black cover here, and you're gonna wanna pull out straight towards you. Don't do that, okay? Pull it straight up instead of towards you, okay? Grab it back here, just pull it straight up, okay? Perfect, comes out like so. And next, if you wanna take a look back here, there's gonna be 4 10mm bolts that we are going to remove, 2 on each side, so 2 here, and 2 on the other side. You can use a screwdriver as well, but we prefer using a 10mm. So grab a socket and ratchet, preferably magnetic if you have one, and let's remove them. Perfect. Next, let's grab a thick blanket, towel, jacket, whatever you got. Let's put it over your center console, okay? That way you don't scratch up your interior. And let's go ahead and lift the head unit up and out. And the reason why you wanna lift the head unit up is because there's this big old clip here. So lift it up first and then pull it out straight towards you, okay? And before we go ahead and set it down, make sure your blanket or towel is covering up your interior. And our ENA 3N1 plug and play amplifier connects to this connector here, located underneath this main big old connector here. You can remove this connector, but if you can't, that's okay. Just stick your finger back here and there's a release tab back here. Just pull it straight out towards you, like so, okay? So this is the connector our plug and play harness is going to use. And this is very, very important, okay guys? This is a VAZ harness that we're also going to be installing. This connects to the radio first, and then this side connects to our plug and play amplifier harness, which then connects to the factory connector here, okay? Before we get started, I am going to zip tie the little module here, so that way it doesn't rattle around, like so. So for this Pathfinder, connect this first to the radio, like so. Make sure it's all the way in until you feel a click. And then this end will go to our plug and play wiring harness here. And this side will go to the VAZ side. And listen up guys, okay? Before you begin, see how it's kind of at an angle right now? Don't do this, stop what you're doing, and make sure it actually connects in straight, okay? And the reason why is because you may damage these pins on the inside, which can actually cause an error code, do some damage to your vehicle or anything like that, and we don't want that, okay? So just make sure when you're connecting any of these connectors, make sure they're going straight and until you hear a click, okay? And then this side will go to the factory harness. And same thing, make sure that they connect in straight, okay? And if you notice, there is a ring terminal here, and we're actually gonna go ahead and ground this to the side of the radio here. So grab a T20 socket and ratchet, and let's go ahead and ground our amp. So I'm gonna do it on this side here, and just using one of these bolts is okay. Okay, and then just slip this right in and screw it back down. Perfect. And after that, there's only 2 connections left, and these 2 go to our plug and play amplifier. And if you notice here, there's also a separate remote out wire, and this is used to connect to an additional powered amplifier or a subwoofer to go ahead and let the amp or the aftermarket component to turn on and turn off, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and plug in our plug and play amplifier. It's just going to be these two connections, so gray to the gray and the white to the white. Pretty easy. Sweet. And if you take a look here, there's actually some RC outputs, and this is mainly used to connect, again, an additional amplifier or subwoofer as well. And make sure that your auto sense is always set to speaker in Nissan. And if you notice, there's a front and rear gain adjustment dial knob. So while everything's plugged in, even while the head unit's out, turn on the car, listen to some music, and tune the front and rear gain knobs to your own adjustment. For the Nissan Pathfinder, this is our personal preference, but we like the front and rear gain adjustment dial knob at the 1 o'clock position, and this is about 60% of our amplifier. So yeah, that's what we like, but feel free to listen to your own music and tune it to however you like. Since this customer is going to be installing a powered subwoofer in the future, he did already route some RCA cables back there for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it for this customer. And it's going to simply stick these in. Sweet. All right, and make sure you keep everything always organized. So I'm actually going to zip tie some excess wire that we have here. That way it's nice and organized. Alrighty, so the backside of the radio has plenty of cavities for our amplifier to fit, and our kit does also include some mounting and foam tape as well. But I'm going to use some foam tape today and just pretty much wrap it around side all the corners, making sure it doesn't rattle back there, as well as protecting our amplifier as well. Okay. All right, sweet. Now that your amp is all wrapped up, if you take a look back there, there's plenty of space, and I'm going to simply place the amplifier right alongside here. Sweet. So if you guys take a look all the way inside, that's exactly where our amplifier will be mounted. And if you take a look, there's actually an additional wiring harness already here from the factory. I'm just going to go ahead and zip tie our harness to this, so that way our wiring harness doesn't rattle around as well. And all that's left to do is go ahead and carefully put back in the radio, making sure everything is tucked away. All right, and again, as mentioned previously, there is this little tab here, so just make sure that lines up with this tab here on the bottom. Perfect. Now it doesn't click in or anything, it's just kind of like a guiding tab, so yeah, that's it. And just make sure your 4 holes are aligned, and let's go ahead and screw everything back in. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys use magnetic sockets. They are a absolute lifesaver. Even if you guys don't work on your cars that much, just get them. Trust me. They're 100% worth it. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put back in the thin plastic panel here. Push down, perfect. Then we have our big panel here. And again, be very, very careful when you're putting this over. Make sure you go ahead and open up its like mouth here, so that way it goes over and behind, all right? And all that's left to do is to match up the clip holes, make sure everything aligns properly, and give it a good firm push. Sweet, let's go ahead and listen to how it sounds.
Choose to fight down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. I'll make a big man turn to the kid. Shout out scope and I'll flat out pics. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Told them man can't handle the fixed part. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be yacked if you think you can wig me. I'll tell my man, put down the link up.
And that's it, guys. Our easy plug-and-play solution, the ENA 3-in-1 in your Nissan vehicle. Imagine it. Better audio, for you and the whole family. Now, we offer solutions for Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Nissan, whatever you got, we might have it. Check the link in the description below and head to our website, Beat-SonicUSA.com, for more information on our solution, which is our Encore Alpha plug-and-play amplifier. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment down below. Send us an email, info@BeatSonicUSA.com, or leave a comment. I'll be happy to reply. See you guys next time.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, guy, want 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few